Well, let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the JSE. And locally, we have had some news coming out from the finance minister that budget 3.0 is coming up. So the next budget in South Africa will be tabled on the 21st of May. So looking at how the markets has performed as we are going into another holiday tomorrow, the all share with a gain of almost 1/3%, that largely coming from the industrial 25 complex that's climbed. Almost 0.75%. Resources 10 complex popping by more than 0.25%, but backing that trend is the financial 15 softening by almost 1/3%. Let's take a look at what is happening in the U.S. markets, and on that front, we did get disappointing news on the GDP front. For the first quarter, the economy in the U.S. contracting 0.3%. That's from a rise of 2.4% in the fourth quarter of 2024. In the labor market, also some disappointments coming through with the ADP private payrolls growing less than expected in April. We are seeing those markets nervous at this point. S&P 500 declining by almost 1%, the tech-heavy Nasdaq plunging by almost 1.5%, and the Dow declining by almost 2/3%. Let's check in on the markets across the Atlantic, and on the other side of the spectrum, we did get the Eurozone's economy in the first quarter surprising to the upside, and those markets responding positively, with the CAC 40 leading those gains, climbing more than 0.4%. The FTSE 100 popping by 0.12%, and the DAX showing an almost similar rise there. Let's take a look at the currency market and start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies. The rand weakening a little bit against the US dollar at 18 rand 62. The local unit against the pound at 24 rand 88, and against the euro at 21 rand 9 cents. Let's take a look at how the other currency pairs are doing, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.13, pound dollar at 1.33, and the yen just above 143 against the greenback.